Good morning. My name is John O'Neill and I work at the goat farm. I oversee the property and feed the animals that are here. We have many animals. We have goats and chickens and a pig, and I take care of a majority of them. This used to be an old cotton gin manufacturing facility. It was built in 1889, called Murray Mill. Chris and Anthony bought it about 5 years ago, and they've changed the goat farm around to where it's now the event property that we enjoy.
My name is Mark Dinato. I'm the Director of Operations at the Goat Farm Arts Center. So we have multiple venue spaces or exhibition spaces on the property. We have our main hall, which is Goodson Yard. Right across from that is our minor hall, Rodriguez Room. And then we have 9 other buildings at the Goat Farm that are studio space or live workspace that are used for who knows what. It doesn't matter how many people come to the shows because we don't make money off of the venues and the events themselves. That's actually, we make all of our money from renting studio space, and then we use some of that money to fund the events and putting on the events, which is essentially our advertising.
We do put on exhibitions, we do put on performances, but ultimately we're utilizing that as a way to, yes, get art and performance exposed, but its secondary mission is to act as a magnet to attract people to our built environment here, the 12 acres of built environment here, so that we can practice and execute our primary goal, which is to blend divergent disciplines and fields of study together in an effort to catalyze new thought and catalyze innovation by taking different fields of disciplines that normally don't interact and bashing them together, broadening their perspective, and hopefully setting them on a different path.
I think it's transferable. I think the Goat Farm as an entity, as an idea, as a concept, is transferable outside of these 12 acres. I think we can pull in talent and build teams around an idea and fund that team, and hopefully out of it something groundbreaking comes.
It's kind of like home to a lot of people here. The uniqueness of it, the fact that it's such a well-kept secret even though a lot of people know about it. I hope to see the place not change much for quite a long time. Keep it just like it is.